Every product from the Shopify store just landed in a Google Sheet or Excel. Titles, prices, variants, copied straight from the store. That took one click to export. No copy-paste, no code, no API keys. Here's how to do it. First, install Shopify Spy Pro from Chrome Web Store. The link is in the description. Then pin it to your toolbar so it stays one click away. Now open any Shopify store you want to pull products from. Click the Shopify Spy Pro icon. It scans the store the second it opens. If the site isn't built on Shopify, the tool warns you and stops. But if it is a Shopify store, you'll see the store name, location, and the full product count right away. By default, it grabs the whole catalog. Only want one collection? Click the Select Collections drop down and choose the collection you need. Then it pulls only the products from that collection. Next, keep Include Product Variants checked. That splits every size and color into its own row. Now pick your export format, Excel, Google Sheets, or CSV, whichever you use. There's one more option worth turning on before you export. Want the product images too? By default, Download Images is turned off so you only get the data. Check the box and it pulls every product images too. Use product handle as image names saves each one using the product handle. And zip images into a single file, packs them into one download, nothing to sort by hand. Then click Export Products. The full catalog drops into your Google Sheet or Excel. Every product, every price, every variant, sitting there, ready to sort. Doing this by hand means scrolling the store page by page, copying one product at a time. In a store with 400 products, that's your whole afternoon gone. But here, it's done in one click. So open a store you've been curious about, run Shopify Spy Pro, and watch the full catalog come out. Subscribe to grow your business.